Hello everyone, my name is Sanilanda and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you this effect and it's called the glitch effect in Premiere Pro. Hit intro. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to open the video that you want to edit and drag it down to our timeline, which I already did. And then the next step would be is to select on where you wanted to apply the glitch effect. The next step that we are going to do is to select out the part of the video that will be applying the glitch effect. Well, in this case, I already have selected the video, which is right here, this one. And then make sure that your selection, the glitch that you'll be making will not take more than 1 second. Now to do that, selecting out the part of the video is just to click on the video that we have selected and press Option if you're using Mac, and press Alt if you're using PC, and then drag it up. Now we have duplicated that part of the video that we will be applying the glitch. The next step is we are going to move the opacity down to 50%. To do that, again, Effect Controls, Opacity, just type in 50. The next step is we are going to apply masking. Make sure that video track number 2 is always active or selected, and then and every time you do masking, make sure that the size of your screen is 200% or more. It depends on you. And then go to Effect Controls and click on the pen tool. Once you click on the pen tool, you can now trace yourself out in a very detailed way. You can also do it not very detailed if you're just practicing, but I always recommend for all of you to do it in a detailed way. I am going to fast forward this so that we will save a lot of time, and see you in a few seconds. Okay, now that we have masked everything out, the next step is we are going to click Invert, and then duplicate this video track 2 again. So to do that, you already know what to do. Just click and press Option and drag up, and then one more. Now we have 3 different layers of video tracks. These 3 video tracks will be changed. Their color will be changed. We are going to change the video track number 2 into red. This will be green, and this will be blue. Now let's change the color of video track number 2. Select video track number 2, and then go to Color, and then click on red. Just drag the curves, and just click on curve, and then click on the red color, and then drag this up. I forgot that you need to unhide first the video track number 4 and number 3. Now if you can see, the color that has been changed in this video is the other way around. So just click again on inverted, and this is changed to red. Now it depends on the intensity of the color that you like, but for me, I am going to do this. And then if you notice, the side of the edges of the masking that we did is soft. So I would prefer it to be a bit hard, the hardest. So change the mask feathering down to 0. And then also apply that to the others when you change the color. But for now, we changed the feather down to 0. We changed the color to red. Apply the same process to the other 2. The next step is we are going to cut each of this video track frame by frame. Now to do that, make sure that you're zoomed all the way in so you would see each of those video frames. So these are the frames. In this one we have 15 video frames. Just move your cursor left or right so that your video frames will also move. Now to cut them frame by frame, just click on Razor tool or press C, and then move your cursor move your arrow key once to the right, and then that means that's one frame. You can just click, cut them like that, and then until you reach the end. Okay, now to do the glitch effect, the first thing that we need to do is we are going to adjust the position of each of these frames all the way to frame number 15. The first thing is select on video track number 2, and then position, go to effect controls, position it to the left. If you see, we change the opacity of each of these layers to 50%. And then just drag it to the left like this, and then select video track number 3 and drag it to the right, and then select on video track number 4. You can scale it up and down. For now, I'm going to scale it up, and then go to the next frame, do the same process. Go select on the first layer, video track number 2. This time, I am going to position it to the right. And then video track number 3, we first position it to the left, to the right. Now we are going to position it to the left. And then video track number 4, we scale it up at first, and now we are going to scale it down. Now repeat this process up till the end, and I'm going to speed this up, and I'll get back to you in a few seconds. Okay, now that we have applied the glitch effect to each of the frame all the way to the end, if you want to see what the effects that you just did, just press enter to render it. You this effect, and it's called the glitch effect in Premiere Pro. Now, in order for your glitch effect to be more, convincing, you need to apply. You need to add an audio of a glitch, and it's called. And that's it for today's video. If you have any question, please comment down below, and please do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next video, and be safe.